SC-type field installable connector assembly video. SC connector components are dust cape, housing, release kit, connector body, ring, and boot. Assembly tools are cleaver, fixture, fiber optic stripper, wiper, and alcohol. Assembly procedure. Insert 900 micrometer fiber into boot. Make the length of 50 mm by fixture, or make the length by ruler. Strip the length of 0.9 mm buffer. Clean the bare fiber by wiper with alcohol. Place end of fiber buffer into the groove of fixture. Cleave the 0.125 mm fiber to 27 mm length. Remove dust cape. Insert fiber slowly into connector body until the fiber barges the end face of ferrule. Insert ferrule into the dust cape until resistance is felt. Remove the release kit at this moment. Push ring into the connector body. Insert the boot to the connector body. Housing assembly and then remove dust cape. Clean the end face of ferrule by wiper with alcohol. Insert dust cape and then the assembly procedures are done. Notice. Suggestion: inspect the end face quality of fiber after assembly completion. On installation procedure. Remove housing out. Insert release kit into connector body. Remove boot out. Pull ring out. Remove fiber out. Insert boot back. On installation completion. Thank you.